Audible?
Yes, sir, audible, sir.
Now check and tell me screen is visible for you or not.
Yes, sir, visible, sir, visible.
Okay, good. Karthi, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How is your health? Is it okay?
Fine, sir.
I think you said you are not feeling well, right?
Sir.
Karthi, have you started Terraform practicals or not yet?
Not yet, sir.
Okay, good. If any doubt is there, try to take the help of Uday. Here Uday is there, right? You try to take his number. He is also doing every day at least 4 hours. He is working on that. Okay, he is
Yeah, okay.
very helpful to you. Good. I move on to the class. Recording is started. MS Paint. Karthik, quickly try to tell me why we are learning Terraform in your words. Maybe maybe minimum procedure, right? Minimum knowledge we have. I think. Which purpose we are learning Terraform? This is also on DevOps tools. I know, what I know. But which purpose we are learning Terraform? To create infrastructure.
Integrated.
Infrastructure. To create which one? To create infrastructure. To create infrastructure means resources. Where we are creating resources, maybe you are learning AWS, right? Generally in AWS, what you studied, try to tell me one or two or three names. One is EC2, second one is EBS, third one is S3. Got it or not? Fourth one, even maybe keys are created or not? Keys. Now fifth one. Now tell me any other name. Any other name? Load balancer, LB, load balancer. Now sixth one, RDS. Seventh one, EPC. These are manually we are creating. But by using Terraform, we can create automatic. We can create automatically by using IAC. By using IAC. Uday, tell me what is IAC stands for? What is IAC stands for? Infra infrastructure as code. Infrastructure as code. There A is as only. Infrastructure as code. For that purpose, one tool is there. One tool is there. That tool name is Terraform. Karte, have you understood? Which purpose we
Yes,
are
sir.
learning Terraform? To creating infrastructure, to creating infrastructure dynamic. They are creating infrastructure dynamically with the help of infrastructure as a code tool, that is IAC. Here, this tool was developed by HCL, HashiCorp Configuration Language. HashiCorp Configuration Language. I think who is? Okay, got it. Uday, I think you disconnected and reconnected, right?
Yes, sir, some network issue.
Oh, good. Till now, already you know it. Already you know it. Actually, we are in variables. Karte, we are in variables. Yesterday, we started variables. There we created how to create a variable by using which block, Uday? By using which block we can create variables? By using which block? Answer is very simple. Whatever the word I use, same words, if you repeat it, that is answer.
Variables.
By using variable block. By using variable. My question is very simple. Whatever the topic I may talk, in that way I may ask the question, very easily to tell the answer. Variable. What is the variable? In my intention, I'm taking Karthi is one variable. Like that, I'm taking Karthi is one variable. This variable this variable I want to declare. Here, according to Terraform rules and regulations, it may take three arguments, Karthik. One is the description. 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 Description is optional parameter, optional argument. After that, type is type is mandatory argument. Type is now I'm taking number. Now I'm taking number. There default value DEFA default is equal to assume. I'm taking like this. See, Karthi is the variable name. It is holding one value. What is the value? 420. According to assume Java, C, C++, how can we declare this? Int KRTHI is equal to 420. Is it simple or not? Tell me, Karthik. According to language rules, int Karthi is equal to 420. In the same way, according to Terraform variable representation, variable space Karthi open curly brace. Here this is the extra is that this is not needed. This is not needed. Okay. Here opening curly brace, closing curly brace. Here I am taking 3. See, in according to language, you want to print this. You want to print this. Everybody know little bit Python, right? Little bit Python, right? Uday, tell me how to print through Python this one. How to print this through Python? Print open brace just KRTHI. Got it or not? Print card. But according to Python, do we declare int? Do you declare int keyword here? You need to declare int
No,
that?
sir.
No. Simply Karthi is equal to 420. Even I think no need to give. No need to give which one? This one also. First I'll try to show you. I'll try to show you. There I'm going to IDLE. IDL. The editor. The editor. See KRTHI. Karthi is equal to 420. Right. There print KRTHI. Is it simple, right? Is it so simple? Same thing according to Terraform, how they want to implement. How they want to implement. Shall we go for that? Yes. I'm going to Windows key E first. Windows key E first. I'm going to C drive. There this PC. Within that C drive. Within the C drive. Within that HP. I think within that users HP. Where is the users? Users. Go for users. Somewhere users. There HP. Within that ROM. ROM. Within that ROM. See, I'm taking copy. I'm taking copy. Where is the copy? Copy. I need to take copy. Copy. Maybe copy and paste it. And paste it. You may get copy. There F2 rename what I said. I want to rename like today 28th, right? This is the way industry people are following. That's why I'm going this way. Now this is good. Enter. Now I'm entering into today class 28 1 2024. Maybe try to remove there. This is not required. Delete it. Even everything is not required. Only I need folder, empty folder. That's all. I need one empty folder. I got created. Now Windows key or CMD. Now guide me. How can I enter into that folder? Anyone? They tell me. CD ROM. Now DIR. CD 28. Got it? CD 28 tab. Got it? Now DIR nothing will be there. Why nothing will be there? I deleted, right? Now we need to work with variables. We need to work with variables. First I am taking for maybe one scenario based I am taking notepad, notepad, provider dot tf. I'm taking like this provider dot tf one resource file. Quickly tell me what to do here, what to write, provider. provider, provider, where AWS, what I want to write here, what I want to write here, region is equal to AP hyphen south hyphen 1. Till now clear? Till now clear? Just I am close. Nothing is there. Just I am closing this. This is over. One file. Second file. Not bad. Not bad. Now we go for variables, right? That is the variable. Variable.tf or variables.tf. Variables.tf. Within that, we need to create variable block. Variable. Variable. What is the name of the variable I took here? Karthi, right? Karth. Ah. Now, what I need to write? Anyone respond? Already I mentioned in MS Paint, right? Now quickly guide me. There, DESCRI, description, say creating creating an integer variable with the value is maybe our intention is what? 420. Is it clear for you? In this way, people may write, Uday, understood or not? For easy understanding, if you see here description, what happening next, we can automatically understand, right? After that. What is the type you want to specify? Type is equal to, type is equal to, type is equal to integer. After that, you need to specify DEFAUL. Default is equal to what is the value you want to specify? 4. Is there any difficulty? Anyone respond? If if difficulty is there, I'll try to explain. If no, I may move to output. I may move to output. Is it clear for you? This is the variable block. This is the variable local name. Variable local name. How to use this variable on the output stream? In the output stream. See, I'm going to write notepad, their output.tf. Output.tf. Then I'm going to take OUT output. This is the output block. This is the output block. Maybe here result 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 value. Whatever the name you can give, that is your wish. Result value. Here you need to take value is equal to what is the variable name? Anyone tell me? What is the variable name? Please respond. KRTH. Karthi only, right? This is the variable. How can you access with the help of where argument? With the help of where argument. Maybe you may take like an argument. This is also any variable. If you want to access with the help of where, this is the predefined one. This is the predefined. Till now clear? Till now clear? Just we'll try to check on this. We'll try to check on this. Uday, till now clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Now, how to? Till now, nothing is there. What is the first command? Terraform. Terraform. Init.
Terraform. Net.
Init. Init. Because of there is no plugin. Everything is deleted. Check it. DIR. Nothing
Yes,
is
sir.
there.
That is the first. Yes,
Only
sir.
what are these files? Technical words I'm asking. How can I call these three things? Terraform resource files. These are the important. What terminology is very important. Terraform resource files. Resource files. These are the desired files. Desired means it will apply in future. Now Terraform init. What it is saying? Something goes wrong. There is no integer number. That is the number type. Terraform variable. There is no integer. There is a number type. Number. Now it will work. That is the speciality of Terraform. It is clearly stating, say, the keyword integer is not a valid type specification. There you can easily recognize. If we are having good knowledge, automatically your brain may strike out. We can implement it. Now Terraform, where is in it? Yes. See, if I use Terraform in it, what happens with it? Quickly tell me, maybe one line answer. If I use Terraform in it, maybe they may ask in interview. When if you use
Yes.
Terraform in it, what happens?
Like this.
See,
It
this
will install pen.
this is the answer in it. Initializing provider plugins. Initializing provider plugins means downloading all the related required dependencies or plugins. In Maven, we may use the word dependencies, but in Terraform terminology, we are downloading plugins. Plugins. Till now clear? From where it is downloading? See, HashiCorp, AWS. Why AWS? It is showing that you specified provider name AWS. Are you agree with me? That's why provider plugins are initialized. Is it clear for you? I think this step is clear. It is trying to initialize. Yes. See, Terraform has successfully initialized. What next? What next? Now Terraform. Now
Terraform
Terraform.
apply.
Terraform. Validate. Validate. If you use validation, the configuration is valid. Keep on doing, keep on remembering. They may ask, if you use Terraform, validate what happens. The configuration is valid or not, it will check. See, same code we are repeating. The configuration is valid or not, we are checking through whom? Terraform validate. Now, Terraform plan. Terraform plan. Through Terraform plan, what happens? It is showing changes. It is showing changes. What are the changes may applicable? Which change may applicable here? One plus is there, right? One plus. This is the binary file. Once you apply Terraform, apply one binary file will create that is available within the RAM. This is the industry standard meaning. Where it is available within the RAM. It won't create any copy, external copy. Only internal copy create. That is the binary file. Once you apply Terraform, apply, what happens? Quickly tell me. If you use Terraform,
Terraform
apply, what
process.
happens? That is very, very important question.
Terraform state file.
It creates internally one Terraform state file. Are you agree with me? Terraform state file. Yes. Now, if I give confirmation, see, result value is 4. Result value is 4. Now, if you see the state file, notepad, that is the terraform.tf state, it clearly showing, hey, your value should be 420, result value, got it or not? Clear or not? Tell me. This is the output represent. This is the output. It is taking version, Terraform version 1.3.7. That is the serial number is taking. This is the lineage. That is one unique ID. Internal purpose it is taking. Finally, till now there is no resources are there. There is no resources. Why? Is the resource flag? Till now nothing is there. Till now nothing is there. Is it clear for you? This is the simple variable represent. Simple variable. Suppose I may go with one set variable. One set variable. Quickly, shall we move to one set variable? Just how to declare a set. Just now I'm trying to apply, say, notepad, set variable. Dot here. Whatever the name you can use, I said, right? This is only our understanding purpose. But naming convention is good because I'm using set variable. Now what I may write here? What I may write here? Now quickly guide me. I need to take again variable block. Again variable variable. Now set underscore variable. Set underscore variable. This is also your wish. This is also your wish. So default DFAULT default. Not tell me, not description, right? First one, DSC your description is equal to, okay, creating, creating, creating set type of, data with, dev comma, test comma, PR. Dev comma, test comma, PR. Now tell me type, type. Which type you want to specify here? See, string of list. String of list. There DFA. The default is equal to square bracket dev comma test comma and what we have dev comma test comma production. Is it clear for you? Is it clear for you? How to declare one list type of variable? List type of variable. But finally, list is which type? List is which type? String type. That's why dev. That's why test. That's why production. Whether is it clear or not? Tell me. DFAULT. If you say this is clear, here itself I can write. Here itself I can write. I'm writing. Say see output. Output. See, for underscore dev, what I need to mention, here, see, here, value is equal to var dot, var dot, set underscore, variable variable of 0. What does it mean? Can you guess it? Uday, what does it mean? Can you recognize this one? Why I written? Here, this is the variable. That's why I'm using variable, maybe predefined one argument. After that, this is our variable name, right? Set underscore variable. In that, what is the index here? This is the zero index. This is the first index. This is the second index. Is it clear for you? Now I want to mention second one. Tell me how to mention second one. Control C. There, Control V. Control V. Quickly guide me for what is that? For a test. There, I need to mention which one. What is the index? What is the index? In the same way, we go for there for PRO for output for PRO production. Now this is what index is. Index is. Is there any difficulty? Ask me. If no difficulty, we'll try to implement. Karthi, got it or not?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Good. Now I'm trying to close this. See, generally output purpose separate, we may create one TF file, but within the file only we can write. That is also no, that is your wish. That is your wish. Now once again, now directly I'm going to Terraform apply. That's all. Terraform apply. What happens here? What is the feeling? String. Any difficulty? Any difficulty? Set variable. Primitive type keyword string does not expect arguments. String does not accept. Okay, okay, I understand. Reversely, you need to write. What is the reverse way? Which one I took? What is the file name I took in previous for this purpose? I think a list, right? I think I took set related. Where is the file name? File name set where? There you need to go in this way. I written opposite way. Their list of which type? String type. List list of string type. Now Terraform apply. Now there is no problem. Again problem. An input variable with the name set variable has not been declared. Do you mean any spelling mistake? VARIABLE, VARIABLE. Anyone recognize VARIABLE? Uday, any spelling mistake? Set VA. I think spelling mistake is there. Check it. Spelling mistake is there. Quickly identify notepad set. Now quickly here tell me. Set VARIA. VARIA. Now this is the right one. See VARIA. Now I am not wrong. Arrow apply. There's spelling mistake. Now, yes. Now see. What is the output? For a dev, for production, for a test, result value forward. Is there any difficulty, Karthik? Is there any difficulty for set representation? For set representation, if no doubt, we may go for map representation. Shall we go for map? Shall we go for map?
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. Now notepad, there map.tl, map.tl, notepad, map.tl. There quickly I'm writing there plus variable varia, variable, just I'm taking map. This is your wish. This is your wish. Open curly brace, closing curly brace. There, description, DESC, or if the description is equal to write a map, to write a map. That's all. There, type is equal to map of string, map of string. There, default is equal to open curly brace. There. See, I'm trying to apply. There I'm trying to apply. There PUCK. Bucket one is equal to dev bucket. Dev hyphen PUCK bucket. In the same way, I may write like this. There is double quotation. Here is double quotation. Same thing I'm copy pasting in 3 times. Control C, there, comma, Control V, comma, Control V. You know, there, what is that here? To bucket to, you can easily recognize what I may write there, test bucket. In the same way, I may go with third one, there, three, bucket three, there, production bucket. Production bucket. This is okay. Everything is fine. How to display on the output? That is important. How to display on the output? See, I hope everybody know this is the key, is the value. This is the key, is the simply say key one value one, key two value two, key three value three. Got it or not, Karthik? Default, where in previous scenario I used a square bracket. Square bracket. Two types of brackets are there. This bracket specify something, this bracket specify something. What is the meaning? Anyone respond? What is the difference between these two brackets? Quickly guide me. What is the difference between these two brackets? Karthik or Uday, are you there, right? Uday, are you there or not? Where is Uday? Uday is not there. Karthik, just it represents list. It represents map. It represents list. It represents map. You got it or not? Karthik, it represents list. It represents map. How to display on the output screen? How to display on the output screen? Output. Output variable. Output variable. Which one you want to display? Which one you want to display? There. Bucket. There. Bucket one. Or else maybe output one. Output one. There, how I am displaying, observe. There, you need to mention value is equal to. Karthik, can you guide me? How can I apply this? Value is equal to this map. How to represent this map? Where dot map of map of. If I use where dot map, it is coming to internal. Which one I want to mention? This name I want to mention. What is the name of that? Bucket one. Copy it and paste it over here. Control. There you need to specify, right? Double quotation. Double quotation. First, we'll speak quickly first one, or else I may write all those things. Copy it, Control C, their Control V, Control V. Now quickly guide me. Their output to, here also bucket 2. Their output 3, there I need to take bucket 3. Now close this, save this, and try to run this. Up arrow, Terraform upload. Again, something goes wrong. What it is saying? Output 3 blocks of type output are not expected here. Now, what was the problem? OUT. I think spelling is correct only, right? Karthi, what was the problem? What was the problem? I think we are not wrong. Map. We took somewhere map, right? Map.tf. Map.tf. variable. Variable. There I may take their map values. Map values. I'm taking like the. I'm taking map underscore is feeling something values output block only correct, right? Values square bracket insert, there I will go with insert square bracket bu, there spelling mistake bu, oh this is the bucket, there I copy pasted only, right? Their spelling mistake is the buck. There also buck. Bucket. There are also bucket. There are also bucket. Now I am not wrong. Output, output 1, output 2, output 3. Their braces are properly there. Yeah, here one brace is needed. One more brace. Now this is not required, but anyway I am placing a control yes. Close this. Try to implement. Terraform apply. What it is expecting? The index operator must end with a closing bracket, where it is expecting missing close bracket on index line output 1. Okay, it is expecting 1. Map.tf, map.tf. Okay, okay. There, I think we are not wrong. Map of values, where dot map values of is the bucket 1, bucket 1. I think no need to specify. Bucket 1 of what it is expecting. What it is expecting. Mention 0. 0. This is 1. And representing key. There I mentioned key name only. But it is expecting something. Understood, understood. Is the map underscore values. Values. Here also map underscore values. Actually, I am not wrong. Map underscore values. This is bucket 1 only. This is bucket 1 only. Map underscore values. Values of the name of the bucket. See, bucket, bucket 1. Here is bucket values of buck, bucket bucket 2. The same way bucket bucket buck bucket bucket 3. Okay, good. Buck. Now bracket close, save it, Terraform apply. What it is saying? Variable. That means value is equal to var dot map underscore VALUS values BUCK bucket to. A reference to a resource type must be followed by at least one attribute access specified the resource name their output 3 same name is there, that is the problem. Same name is there. Here I need to change the name. That is the problem here. 3. Good. Save it and run it. Now I am not wrong. It may work fine. Oh, again getting an error. A reference to a resource type must be followed by at least one attribute bucket bucket 3. Bucket 3 specifying the resource name. Okay, 1 minute. I'll try to refer it. I'll try to refer it. Mention properly and mention properly that map is not applying here. Map is not supporting here. Okay, map, map. I'm going to the help of these Terraform, Terraform variables, VARI variables. Their input variables, good. There, I need which type, which type, string number boolean, list map type. I want map type. That's the variable image ID, description, custom validation rules. I want validation. Okay, condition, error message. Where is that map representation? Type object. I want to type map. I didn't specify type map. Other Terraform variable map example. Map example. Terraform map. There, okay. Type map, okay. Type map object, okay. As specified string, right? Map string. Example C. Map string default is equal to flower bracket, maybe Luke, Yoda. Okay. I specified in this way only. In this way only. I want to use this where dot force underscore map of I need to use loop. I need to use loop. We'll check it. Output variable with map. Okay. Then Terraform output output map exam. Build output map in Terraform. Build output map in Terraform. Provide an AWS code. Everything is okay. Default is equal to their list I don't want. I want map representation. Where is that map? Map. Where this is the output values is equal to there is ID like a build to map and output to the map user to topic. Output variable value is equal to that variable name, that value. I can pass this list users in the policy module, but I have no idea how to generate that. No. Okay, this is not executed. Now see output user topic value is equal to module dot users dot, that is okay. Topics, they didn't specify properly. They didn't specify properly. Okay, I'll tell you another way. There I'm going to final conclusion. Map. First time I go for only one. Check it. There bucket one. Bucket one. My intention is like that. Bucket one. Map of their name. This one I mentioned. There automatically I make it. Escape. Shift colon X. Or shift colon X here. This is not bad, not necessary. Where Terraform apply. What happens? What happens? The input variable with the name map values has not been declared. Map underscore VAL U spelling mistake. That is the problem. Map values and VAL UES. That is the major problem. Yes, once again, there typo error. Now see, everything is fine. See, I got the value or not. See, dev bucket, output one. There, everything is fine. Maybe there typo error is there. That was the problem. Control C, Control V, again Control V. There, this is the output two. This is the output three. Quickly tell me what are the modification. Here is bucket two, bucket two. Here is the bucket three. Here is the bucket. Yes, sir. Close this and save this. Try to apply. Try to apply. Now you may get all the outputs. Yes. See all the outputs. Karthik, is it clear for you? Are you there? Good. Now this is the way we can use output variables. Output variables. Now we go to local variables. Local variables. See already output variable is there. What is the use of local variable? What is the use of local variable? I'll try to explain first. What is the power of local variables? If you work with the variable concept through variables, through variables, through variable, we can declare at a time, at a time, only one variable, only one variable. Number two. That is, we can't declare, we can't declare more than one variable at a time. Very simple thing. We can't declare more than one variable. Oh, 22. We can't declare, we can't declare more than one variable at a time, at a time. Now, for example, okay, one more. We can't use, we can't use functions in variables, in variables. If I try for this, is it working or not? We need to check. What I want to test, what I want to test. It may not work, but I am showing is it working or not. Already I am telling it will not work. What is my intention is here is notepad. test or else, okay. Up, add function, add function underscore variable dot here. Add function underscore variable dot here. This is the simply we are taking variable, declaring variable. The variable name is maybe function demo, function demo. There I'm applying default. I'm not okay. Type is equal to number. There def the default is equal to max of 10 comma 1. This is my intention. I want to display output, right? I want to display output. Their output, there, okay, test function. Now closing brace, their value is equal to, what is that? What is that? Var dot FNC10 function underscore demo. This is the nature, but it provides an error. It provides an error. It seems to be good, but it provides an error. See, we may get an error. What it is saying, the function underscore variable dot df line 5 in variable function demo default defult is equal to max. See, functions may not be called here. What does it mean? Variable concept will not support functions. Variable concept will not support functions. Which concept will support? Okay, locals concept only. There is the local variables. Local variables. I'll try to modify this. Terraform, where notepad, add function underscore variable. There I'm changing to block here. There LO, 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 CALS. Locals. What I'm taking there, my block name is LOCALS. LOCALS. Locals block. In the locals block, no need to specify type. No need to specify type. Now, what you want? You can specify. Let us see max var, max underscore val. In the same way, min underscore val, min underscore val. Like this, you can declare there is the min of 10 comma 1. There I took two variables. This is one max value. Second one is min value. Within which block? Locals block. How to display this? How to display this? See, in place of where you need to take LOCA, local dot. What is the name of the variable? The name of the variable is max underscore value. The same way, copy paste, control C and control V. Their output. This is what is the result here? Result here. Our name is max underscore value VAL value. In the same way, second output is min underscore value. Min underscore value. There also min underscore local. In this way, we can apply. Now close this, save this, enter here, rerun. Terraform apply. Now everything is valid. Now apply yes. Now see the output. Their max value and min value. Now till now I'm trying to conclude. What I am concluding is just everybody know how to use variable block, variable block, how to use output block, output block, output block, and how to use locals, locals block. Here, if you want to declare variable block, their variable is the keyword. There, that is the block name. That is the block name. It is the block block underscore name. After that, we need to provide three, three, three arguments. We will provide how many arguments? Three arguments. What are the arguments? Description. Description is one argument, and the type is one argument, and default. Default is one more argument. If are coming to the output block will start with the output, output space that is block name. Block name. Within that, we need to mention value is the argument. Value is the argument. How to get it? Where dot variable underscore block underscore name. This is the way we need to pass. In the same way, if you want to work with, if you want to work with locals, you need to give almost local, local, almost LOCL locals. Don't give any block in only block name. Don't go for locals is the block. There you need to mention multiple multiple variables, including 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 functions. That is the power of this one. For example, there there variable one is equal to function name of arguments. That is also advantage. How to call this? How to call this? Within the output block, within the output block, within the output block, maybe output there, maybe any name. Within that, we need to use their value is equal to local dot that local underscore variable underscore name. I hope you got the clarity. I hope you got the clarity. This is the way we can work with variables. Tomorrow, tomorrow you may go with data resource. Data resource. Data resource can be can be created with data block. Data block acts like a resource block. They are calling that's why they are calling data resource block. See, example for resource or yes, resource block. That is the next one is the resource type. Resource type. Then that is the resource name. Resource name is the general syntax of resource. In the same way, block block, that is the block type, block type. Then we go for the block name. Block name. Same look and feel is there. Same look and feel provided by that is the this is not like that. This is the data. This is the data. Data block, that is the data block type is the data block name. Okay, tomorrow you see clearly what is the use of data resource block, how to implement this data resource. Okay, I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Karthi, are you there? Okay, thank you. Remaining things we'll see tomorrow.